Hey guys, Toyosi here. Welcome back to my channel. It is summer period, but unfortunately we've had really bad weather. And last week I checked what the weather forecast for today was going to be, and it seemed like it will be a bit favorable. So I've reached out to a couple of our friends, our family friends who live around us, to arrange for the boys to have a picnic day together. So this vlog is going to be us spending a fun picnic time with one of our family friends. Come have fun with us, guys. So we're currently walking to the store to go and buy the things that we need for the picnic. And we already have some things at home, but then we need to buy a few other things. So the boys are coming with me, and we're just taking a walk down the road, not too far from our house, to buy the things. We're super excited. Guys, are you excited about today's picnic? Yeah. I shall wait. Wait, don't worry, go. Thank you. Go on, guys. Adam, you're really having fun with these shopping bags. So we need a basket. Thank you. No, Asha. No, we want some waffle, some croissant. Can't seem to find any. Where? Okay, I think it's in the front. And then we want bread. Hold on, bring the basket. Basket. Adam, here.
Mom, I found chocolate fingers.
Some of that.
No, I don't want the white chocolate one. I want the brown chocolate.
So where is the brown chocolate one?
No, I want the white chocolate bread.
Take one, Chris. Give me my own basket.
But I don't have.
Guys, so we're fully ready, and Bookie's here. Hello, Bookie's here, and the boys are ready. These ones they're on the bikes, and we're about to leave. Dami, say hello, Dami. Hello. Oh, Dami's so cute. So we're ready, and we're here. And Dami, can you sit down on the mat? Ash, say hello. Hello. Are you guys really excited? Yeah. Where is everybody else? Adam is here. Ola is coming. Careful, Ola. Ola, so put your bike down and then sit down. And then Bookie.
Bob, attack. I think something was across my head.
Yeah, maybe. Don't worry.
It was probably a bee. A buzzy.
My sweet Dami wants some ice lolly. And we're just having fun, you know. So Dami, you can have one. You give that to Mama to open it. What do you say? Thank you. You're welcome. Ash.
Yeah?
Adam, show us your lolly. Oh.
It's really good.
Dami, this is going
Dami,
to melt really quick.
Ola,
So you need to
do you like it?
eat it fast.
Good.
It's already melting.
Yeah, it melts really quickly.
Oh my god. And drips.
Adam and Ola are playing football. Ash, you can put that in the cup.
1 hour later.
So we've had such a super nice afternoon with the boys and Ola and Dami. Dami, come on. Dami, come on. Hello, Dami. Hello, Dami. Where's Ola? Ola, I can't see you. Have we all enjoyed ourselves?
Yeah.
Ola, have you enjoyed yourself? Yeah. Wow, that is so nice. And thank God the weather has been really good to us. We've had a really nice time. The boys are, can you see, they're fed. They've eaten so much. Like, I'm just so happy that we were able to pull this off because the weather has been really funny the past couple of days. So, you know, we're happy that we're able to make it. Asha, come, do you want to take a picture? So we've literally finished. We're just trying to pack up. And my sweet Dami is being strapped up. He's off to go. Mommy Bookie, thank you so much for coming. Thank you for honoring us. We had such an amazing time. Dami, did you enjoy yourself? Oh, what do you say to Auntie? You're welcome, baby. Thank you. Thank you for coming. So, this is where everything was. We've literally packed up. And I'm just trying to gather the last bit of stuff so we can then leave. And yeah, so we've had a really nice day. I'm just trying to finish up the packing. It's usually so nice until you have to pack up or you have to clean up and all of that, but it's all right. We've had a beautiful time and I'm not even complaining at all. The boys had such a nice time. Yeah. What do you have to say, Asha?
We've had such a beautiful time, so now we're gonna go back home, and that's it.
So, what do you say to mommy in general?
I love going on picnics. Thank you for all of the enjoyment that you planned for us.
Oh, you're welcome, baby. Adam, what do you have to say? Adam is wearing my hat. It looks so funny. Yeah.
So we had such a nice time and it was really fun, and thank you so much, Mom, for planning this whole picnic for us.
Oh, you're welcome, baby. Thank you.
And I love the pictures.
Oh, thank you guys so much for, you know, having fun. I'm happy that I'm able to, you know, pull some of these things together. And guys, Adam has his ball. Like, where is this boy going to ever go without this ball? Anyway. Guys, so on our way back home, and honestly, planning these things can be quite but it's okay. I'm just happy that, you know, we got something to do because for us, summer has been really quiet and I was just already tired of having the boys at home not doing anything aside from playing, studying, and just basically playing with stuff that we have in the house. So I've decided that I'm going to just, you know, I arranged with a few moms that we have, mom friends that we have here, and meet up with them so that we can arrange like a meet date like this one and just have fun and eat, pending when the sun is still here, because the weather is just funny. 1 minute is sunny, the next minute is raining, and honestly, you just have to take advantage of it whenever it comes. So we've had a really nice day today and I'm so happy the boys enjoyed themselves playing and all of that. Yeah, it was good, really good. Hey guys, so we're back home and we had such a beautiful time. Adam, what do you have to say?
We had such a beautiful time. You're right.
Asha, what do you have to say?
Thank you for all you have done to plan this.
Oh.
I'm very pleased.
Oh, my baby says he's very pleased. Oh, thank you so much, Asha. Thank you so much, Adam. If it's your first time here and you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bell. So whenever we put up a new post like this picnic one and every other one, you will be the first to know. I am at TG Jonah on all social media platforms. Please hit the follow button and let's connect. Until next time, guys. Bye.